Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Look at the day we having. And it don't supposed to get no better. Gonna do nothing but get worse. Got them boys in front of me. Yeah. Just running to the store, grab a few things before they put the streets on lockdown. They done closed the schools already. Yeah. So, snow day for a lot of kids. Yes, indeed. But it's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at y'all with another video. I know it's been a minute since y'all seen my pretty face, but I've been down for a little bit. So y'all been catching my zoo videos. Hopefully y'all enjoyed them, because my family, they actually enjoyed rewatching the videos as well. That's the good thing about YouTube. You can put your memories on here and you'll never lose them. You can always go back and watch it. So hopefully y'all enjoyed all those zoo videos. I still got more, but they funny. Giraffes, they was funny. Boy, oh boy, I still get a kick out of that. Them monkeys stink. Elephants, they stink. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy this video. It ain't gonna be much, just a real quick drive through with the snow coming down at the beginning of it. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so y'all get all upcoming content that I put out. Greatly appreciate each and every one of my 642 subscribers. So y'all watch this video, please give this video a big thumbs up so we can get them algorithms going up. So that way we push my videos. We're doing pretty good. So hopefully y'all enjoy. Catch y'all in a minute. Let me run in this store. Got that big old Pepsi truck being delivered. Yeah, they out here getting their work on. You know what I'm saying? So come in here, grab a few things. Woohoo! Dollar General morning. I like it. There ain't nobody in here. It's just your boy roaming around Dollar General by himself. What's up, guys? Yeah. So come in here, grab. Oh goodness gracious! When the milk truck come? Goodness. Friday. Oh, what's the day? Wednesday? Jesus Christ, we ain't got no milk at the Dollar General until Friday, so now, guess I gotta go to the grocery store. So we still gonna grab a few little things out of here and keep it moving, man. No, I need to. Hey, oh boy, I was about to say they out of sugar too. All right, better than that. Gotta get down on the ground. Get these bags of sugar. Yeah, crazy. Hey man, hold up. Ain't ripped off here. That one ain't as big. It ain't as much sugar in that one. Gotta go back. Hey, want you. Look at this. I want y'all to see this. Alright. See these two, right? Same size. Now look at this one. Look how much sugar you're losing out of there, and they still want to charge you the same amount. Nope. This one right here, in my mind, that's $1. I'm gonna take it up to the front and show them. Think we can get that for $1? Get a discount on that. Yeah, hopefully we can get a discount on this. They robbing us on the tea bags. Oh well. So grab that. Gotta get that good lifting in your life, you know what I mean? Alright, they done rotated the whole store around now. Yes, they did. All of this used to be over way at the other end. And all this used to be down here. Yeah, see, I don't like that. You know? See if we can find something in here real quick as we roaming through. Smell good, smell good. What we gonna grab? About to smell good. So yeah, this is my day for the day right now. Dollar General shopping, which ain't much. You know what I mean? They ain't got much going on. Man, waiting on the dog food to come from Walmart. You know, had ordered. I'm ready. I see that, right? See the difference. And that, look at that.
Oh, you doing okay?
Yeah, I got a question though.
What's up?
You see this is not as much sugar. And there's a couple of them back there like that.
Looks like packaging. Like this is fatter and this is thinner
Yeah,
and taller.
this one got more sugar in it. That one don't. So I can get a discount on that. Man, though I'm getting less sugar.
Look.
Even though they say the same, but it's just one less sugar.
See how this container is bigger?
I don't see it, but
Yeah, it's just the packaging. That's all.
I don't want that one because
You don't want that one?
they robbing you. I just brought
Okay.
it up here to see if I was gonna be able to get that good old discount on that.
Oh.
Being as though, you know, it's
Yeah,
shorter.
it's just the packaging, how they filled it up and stuff.
They
Like
robbing.
this is a fatter guy and that's a thinner guy.
I don't like it.
You don't like it, huh?
I don't like it. It ain't showing good quality. It makes me think that it's less. And of course, you know, I need my good old cigars too. Good old cigars.
How many?
Give me 5 packs of the Barry Fusion Dutch Master. Yeah.
Said 5.
Yeah. And then you can also give me 2 wine black and mild plastic tips.
Black and mild plastic.
Yeah, the plastic. They behind. The wine.
Oh, the wine ones?
Yeah, they back there. Yep. Yep. In a minute, I get back. Watching YouTube sometime.
Okay.
You can check out my videos when you get a chance.
You on there now?
Huh?
You on there now?
Yeah, I'm doing my little live joint.
Gotcha.
You know, me out here early in the snow, early. Hey, bro, I don't know if you watch YouTube, but I'm working on my cars and teaching my son how to work on cars and stuff like that too. So if you into that type of stuff, big trucks and fast cars and teaching kids how to do things, check me out.
Let me pinch it.
All right, bro. I'll see you later on.
Hey, take care, bud.
Yeah, slow motion today. I'm getting out the snow as fast as possible. Getting covered fast. They wasn't playing about closing schools today, y'all.